Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the problems and comparison operators. Okay, already in previous videos we discussed for problems. In this video, we'll discuss two or three more problems we have to discuss. See, let's have a look here. Write a program that reads two words A and B, and the index I checks if B starts at index I in A. Okay, see here what he is asking. This is also the substring of here. What he is asking substring of A. Okay, here we are taking A and B words. Substring of A is equal string B. Okay, but the index of okay the index A is start from high. Okay, the index I is starts from I. Here, this is the question. Let's have a look with the examples. Suppose here I am taking pineapple and B I am taking apple. Okay, here what is the here apple is starts from index 4. Okay, here index is equal 4. Okay, index is equal 4, and here the last index is equal, okay, last index is equal to 9. Okay, last index is equal to 8. Last index is equal to 8 means length minus 1. Length minus 1. Here length is the length of this, the length of the string. The length of the string is equal to 9. Okay, the length of the string is equal to 9. The length of the string is equal to 9, and the last index is equal to length of the string minus 1. Okay, the last index is equal to 8. Here the first index is starting from 4. Okay, here you observe C. Okay, but the given condition is equal, the given condition is equal according to the problem, the condition, according to the problem the condition is equal substring. Okay, substring of A means substring of A, that means part of A, part of, okay, part A is equal, the starting index starts from 4. 4, that means here I is equal to 4 to the last index is equal to 8. Okay, last index is equal to 8. The last index 8, how will here the last index, not 8, the last index is always the length minus 1. Okay, now length minus 1 means here the 9 will come. Why? Because the last index won't be print, right? That's why. Then here 9, yeah, here you observe 9 is equal to I plus the length of B. Okay, length of B, length of the B. See, based on these conditions, okay, based on these all conditions, we have to check with the one user input example. Okay, let's have a take. Okay, see here I am taking input, enter a string, and B is equal to input, enter another string. Okay, and as well as the index I is equal, okay, index I is equal to, that is the input number. Okay, index means number, right? That's why int input enter index number. Okay, see here what is asking, part of A means the substring. Here part means a substring. A substring is always having a first index as well as last index. Okay, first index and as well as last index. Here have a look, first index is equal to I, and the last index is equal to I plus, okay, I plus length of B. Okay, I plus length of B, and C condition. Okay, the condition means result is equal to part of A, part of A is equal to is equal. Okay, part of A is equal to is equal. Here means, okay, first we'll define with part of A is equal A of, what is the first index? First index already we defined, and as well as last index is also we defined. And now the part of A is equal to B. Okay. Now the condition is true. The condition is true. It gives here. See here, apple is the substring of pineapple, right? Likewise, suppose welcome. Okay, welcome and come. Come is the substring of welcome, and as well as aeroplane. Okay, na? Plane is the substring of aeroplane. Likewise, based on the given strings, the complete string and substrings are first words and sorry, the first words and the second words based on the strings. Okay, see with real examples. Now see print result. Okay, print result. Now go. We will see the practical examples. Here I am giving first string is equal to pineapple, first string is equal to pineapple, and the second string is equal to apple, and index number is equal to 4. Okay, already what we have, based on the discussion, okay, based on the discussion, see, index number is equal to 4. See, now based on the given conditions, the output will become true. Okay, have a look here, enter. See, already true came. Okay, here true came. Suppose here I am changing, first string is equal to, okay, first string is equal to welcome, and the second string is equal to come, and the index number is equal to here. Suppose here I am giving index number is equal to 2. Here I am giving index number 2. The output will become false. Okay, the output will become false. Suppose here I am giving index number is 3. At that time, the output will become true. Okay. See here, the welcome and come, and the index number is 3. Okay, welcome and come, and the index number is, okay, the index number is 3. See, it's true. Okay, it's true. Likewise, suppose here I am changing any another. Suppose here I am giving aeroplane, and the second string is the plane. The index number is the, suppose here see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose here we are giving index number is 4. It will become true. Then in the remaining all conditions, it will become false. Suppose here I am giving index number is 4. At that time, it's true. The remaining all conditions, it's false. Okay, that's it, friends. This program. Wait, let's have a look into next problem. Write a program to check the first three characters in the two given strings are same or not. Okay, see, very simple program. Let's have a look. Write a program to check if write a program to write a program to check if the first three characters in the two given strings are same or not. He's asking. See, first what he's asking, first three characters. Okay, first three characters of the two given strings. Okay, two given strings means first you have to take, okay, first you have, first three characters means what? Index 0 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, 0 comma 1 comma 2. Here first index is always 0 means no need to write anything. The last index, the last character 3, then the take index is equal to 3. Take the index 3 means the index number is equal to 2. Okay, index number is equal to 2, the character is equal to 3, the last index is also we have to take 3. Okay, see here, a is equal to, okay, a is equal to, um, here I am taking directly, uh, okay, a is equal to, ABC, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now A, B, C, D, E, F. Next B is equal to, okay, A, B, C, A, B, C, and remaining any other characters. It's not an issue. The first one is asking first three characters. First three characters of A. First you have to define first three characters. Then first the substring of A. Yeah, here I am taking as first three characters means substring of A is equal. Okay, substring of A is equal. Substring of A is equal. First index starting from 0 means no need to take anything. 3, and the substring of B is equal to, okay, the substring of B is also same. Hmm. Okay, now see what is the result? Is asking same or not? Okay, result is equal to substring of A is equal substring of B. Okay, substring of A is equal to the substring of B. What happened? Okay, come on. See, then print result. Then print result. The error will come by. Okay, here we missed B. Here we missed A. That's why. Okay, see here. Now see the output. True. Why? Because here the first three characters are ABC. Okay, here the first three characters are ABC, and as well as the first three characters are ABC. That's why the output will give true. Suppose here I am changing one index. At that time it will give the output should be false. Okay. Likewise, we have to do this problem. Next, write a program. See here. Write a program that reads two digit number n and checks if the number n is greater than 35 and the first digit of n is greater than the second digit of number or not. Okay, see here he given two conditions. Okay, here he given two conditions. Take one. First, what he is asking, take two-digit number. Okay, na? Take two-digit number. That's why here I am taking n is equal to first the number here I am taking as string like a string value. Here I am taking 56. Okay, here I am taking 56. The first digit is be converting into integer. The first digit is n of 0, and the second digit is n of 1. Okay, the second digit is n of 1. Here number perfect and first digit is perfect and second digit is perfect. And let's have a check with the condition. And what is the condition 1? Condition 1 is equal to, condition 1 is equal to, the number is greater than 35 or not. Okay, the number here number is equal to what? 56. Okay, that's why number first that number converting into integer, the number is greater than 35 or not. Here see, this is the first condition. If it's true, the output will give true. Okay, print condition 1. Let's have a look. the output should be the output should be true. Okay, let's have a check with next check with the second condition 2. Condition 2 is equal to, what is the condition 2? The first digit of n is greater than the second digit of n is not. See, the what is the first digit of n? The first digit is greater than second digit or not, he is asking. Okay, then check with condition 2. Print condition 2. See it. Yeah, it's false. Why? Because here what is the first condition? Sorry, here what is the first digit? Here first digit is 5 and second digit is 6. Okay, 5 is less when comparing to 6, right? Then that's why here the condition becomes false. Suppose here I'm changing, the first digit is 9. Now see the first value 96 is greater than 35, and the second condition, here the first condition, the number is greater than 35 is satisfied, as well as the first digit is greater than second digit. The second condition is also satisfied. That's why the both conditions given true. Okay, now given true. Likewise, we have to check this problem. Suppose this problem check with the user input also. Input, enter a number. Input, enter a number. See here. Here I am giving 78. 78 means 78 is greater than 35 and 7 is greater than 8. The first condition is true and the second condition is false. Okay. Suppose here I am giving 24. 34, just I am giving 34. The first condition 35 is greater than 35, not satisfied. That's why the first condition is not satisfied. That's why false. The second condition 3 is greater than 4. This is also not satisfied. That's why the both conditions given false. Okay. Next, have a look to next problem. Okay, it was raised. Okay, see here, already we saw three problems, the first problem and the second problem, third problem. Okay, next we have to see another two problems also. Write a program. Actually, this is the previous one, is the 15th problem. See. Mhm. Write a program. See, write a program that reads two three-digit numbers A and B and checks if the first digit of A is less than the last digit of B. Okay. See, simple problem. Your first one is asking three-digit numbers. A is equal to, okay, here A is equal to, I am taking uh, STR of 678, and the second number STR of 456. Here I am taking. Here what is asking? The first digit of A. Okay, now first digit of A is equal to into A of 0. Okay, the last digit of B is equal to int of B of last digit means always length minus 1, right? Okay. Mhm. Len of B minus 1. Okay, len of B minus 1. Okay, have a look. What is asking? The first digit of A is less than. Okay, condition is the first digit of A. The first digit of A is less than the last digit of B. Okay, then print condition C false. Here what is the first digit? 6. Okay, na 6 is less than 4. Okay, 6 is 6 is less than 4. The condition not satisfied. That's why the given condition is false. Okay, suppose here I'm changing 8. Okay, here I'm changing 8. The output will print true. Sorry, here I'm giving 3. Okay, here I'm giving 3. See, 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. That's why here given true value. Okay, now check with the user inputs. Hmm. Enter number A, enter number B. Okay, see, here I'm giving only three digit numbers, so you have to give 789 and 567. What happened? Invalid internal integer base 10. Okay, okay, here length b is equal to length of b. You have to give here. Here now you change to length b. String value is there, that's why. Okay, now see. uh, It's false value. Okay, see the first digit is the first digit of A is 6 and the last digit of B is 0. That's why the condition is false. Okay, the condition is false. Okay, next more three numbers 563 and the 987. The condition is true. Okay, 5 is less than 7, right? That's why the condition is true. Like in this way, we have to check the problems.